Okay, this is my first video with this camera. The engine is cold. I've got the wife in there getting ready to start it. It is truly cold. As you can see, I'm grabbing the exhaust. You can't do that on a hot, warm engine. Carol, if you'd start it, please. Anytime, Carol. Step on the clutch and push the button. Okay, I screwed up. Let's start again. Push the key in and then push the button with the clutch in. Carol doesn't drive this thing. I have to teach her how every now and then. And I did screw it up by rolling the windows down and so on. Anytime, Carol. Push in the button. Push the start button. Got the clutch all the way to the floor? The clutch all the way to the floor. The clutch, that's the brake.
Okay, now maybe.
Push the button. Okay, finally got it. A little on the noisy side, but this is what it is. Out of focus. If the idle is right around 1K. And that's it. Shut it off, Carol, please. Just start button. Pull it, push the key out. Thank you.